Hi, I'm Vineeth. Now we are going to see how to run the given project template. First of all, I'm going to show you my Mac IP address. If you are on Mac, you need to go to System Preferences and then Network and then Advanced and then Hardware, and this is the MAC address of my MacBook. Okay, now we are given a default project template to work with. So I have stored that in my home directory and in the Eclipse workspace folder. So this is the Apache Tomcat server I installed to run this entire thing. This is Tomcat 9.0 server, and this is the project template given to us. It has many folders like JSP folder and the .java files which are used to connect the Java codes with our MySQL database, and these are the JSP files, and this is one of the Java files. So now to we'll go and import our given default template. So go to Eclipse and then go to File. And go to Import, and here you need to install Eclipse for Java and web developers, not Eclipse for Java developers alone. So type var here in the search box, you will get var file, and go to next, and here you need to browse the default template. So this is the default template given to us, and here go to new and select the Tomcat Apache 9.0 server. I have already created this project, so I will avoid it, and this is how you create this. When you create, you will get a project template here open like this with all the required files in the directory. Now we'll go to the terminal and open MySQL root login. So here we'll see the databases already created. So we are going to create a database bookstore, and here it's not there, so I'll show you how to create the database. Go to the SQL folder in source files, and copy this source code given to us and paste it in the terminal. Now again see the databases in our MySQL server. So now here you can see the bookstore database is created, and we are going to use that to run this project template. So after creating this, now we are not going to run this project template from our root login. We need to create a new user who has name as our project database. My project database name is COVID-19 supply, and you can give any password you want. So to create the user, you need to just type this command and replace new user with your username and password with password. And I have already created new user with my database, so I am not going to run this command. And after running that command, we need to give all privileges to our database bookstore. So you can type this command and replace new user with whatever the username you have already given to your new user. So after this, you quit the root login and log into your new user. So to log into that, MySQL u COVID. Okay, so now we are in our database name login thing. So after this, we are going to use the database bookstore. So like we'll see if there are any users already in our database present. So to see that, select star from user query. So it's an empty set. So there are no users in our existing database bookstore. So we'll go ahead and run the Java code on the web page, and we'll register a new user and log in over there, and we'll see that the database has one user, and we'll come back here and we'll see whether that thing is reflected in our database or not. So let's go ahead and go to that Eclipse thing and open the JSP files given to us. So this is the main JSP file. So when we run this is the initial web page given to us, and we are asked to change the background color of this and the title of this, and we are asked to add our product description as the body. So I will go to the top.jsp file, and I will change the color of the background with whatever the color I have in my mind. So go to here and I will change my name. So then go to body.jsp and add the description. So here between the h1 tags you need to add this description, your product description. So after this thing, close everything. Now we have one more thing left. We need to go to the .java files in entity and username and update the existing username and password to the username and password we have just created in the using terminal. So here in the username you need to give your new username, and the password you replace with your new password. Similarly update it in this file also. I have already updated this thing. So we'll go ahead and we'll now close these two files also, and now clean the project once before running the main.jsp file again. Okay, now open main.jsp file. So run it. We are running the entire project on Tomcat 9.0 server. So you can see that the changes are reflected here. The title of the project is my name, and the body of the project web page contains our database description. Now we'll register a user, and we'll see that the user is there in the database. So log in with the same credentials you created the user with. array. See, like I have done a small error previously. I kept some wrong username and password, so it did not come out. Now you can see like I have logged in with the details, and you can go to query result and you can see the list of users in this table. So here it is. Like now you can go to the terminal and check like whether these two users are reflected in our database, and you can see like I have same username and email twice with a different password. So that's how we run the given project template to us. Thank you.